सो आज सफ़र का पहला दिन है। हम लोग जयपुर के लिए निकल रहे हैं। दिस इज डे 1। आज हम लोग वाराणसी पे होल्ड लेंगे।
सफर का पहला दिन वाराणसी। वी विल कीप अपडेटिंग यू।
So we have started for Varanasi and it's showing 520 kilometers. The time approx it's showing
In
12 hours.
at the roundabout, take the first
By
exit.
4:15 they are saying, the Google is saying that we will reach. So देखते हैं कब तक पहुंचते हैं। So we have covered almost 115 kilometers in a span of we started at 4:25, so almost 3 hours होने वाला है। Now this is also a village road only, Bola Road as it they say, and we are heading towards Hazaribagh, and this road is fine. It's a 2-lane. Trucks है बहुत road पे, almost on the whole patch trucks are there, so you have to overtake almost every time. So be careful while overtaking. जल्दबाजी में ओवरटेक मत कीजिए। आएगा रोड क्लियर हो, पैच क्लियर हो तभी ओवरटेक कीजिए, जैसे हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं। तो गाड़ी कम है रोड्स पे, बट ट्रक्स काफ़ी है। बाकी रोड अच्छा है, एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ 2-lane normal road. So we have covered 200 kilometers in 4 hours and now we have crossed Hazaribagh. अभी तो ट्रैफिक उतना नहीं था और रोड भी ठीक है। इट्स 4-lane हाईवे NH20.
So it's 9 a.m. in the morning and this was Ranchi Patna highway. And now we are entering onto GT road. Varanasi is 283 kilometers away. We have already crossed around 300 kilometers. So all the best to us.
So we have crossed Aurangabad at 11:30. We are approaching towards Varanasi. So we are in Bihar still and हम लोग यूपी की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं आगे। ये 2 शैतान बच्चे पीछे मस्ती कर रहे हैं और देखो तो कैसा लग रहा है बच्चों?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
बहुत मस्ती कर रहे हो? हाँ,
अनलिमिटेड मस्ती।
अनलिमिटेड मस्ती। So मैं और मेरी सिस्टर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। हम अपनी गाड़ी में है, सिस्टर अपनी गाड़ी में डस्टर में है। सो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है ट्रैवल करने में, एज 2 फैमिली साथ में है। सो रोड इज फाइन, रोड ठीक है। अभी भी कुछ पैचेस है, कुछ डाइवर्जन है, एल्स रोड इज गुड। ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। अभी तक कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन या कुछ नहीं हमको दिखा है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड और एनीथिंग। बिहार बॉर्डर पे भी कुछ नहीं था। लेट्स सी यूपी बॉर्डर पे कुछ अगर होता है। दिस इज GT रोड, ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड। दिस रोड इज कैलकाटा टू दिल्ली डायरेक्ट रोड। द रोड इज गुड, हैविंग सम पैचेस एंड डाइवर्जन्स, एंड नाउ वी आर येट टू रीच चंदौली, जो कि यहाँ से 45 मिनट्स दिखा रहा है और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वाराणसी है। चंदौली इज द बॉर्डर आई थिंक ऑफ यूपी। और व्हेनेवर कोई विलेज आ रहा है या फिर कोई टाउन आ रहा है तो ट्रैफिक थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो रहा है। दिस रोड इज फाइन, इट्स 4-lane और यू कैन से 6-lane हाईवे।
So it's 3:30 p.m. now and we have reached our hotel, Hotel Hindustan International, and so let's see if the ghat is open. Keep the fingers crossed. Good morning. So after the breakfast we would be leaving for Lucknow at around 9:30 a.m.
And it's a stretch of 10 kilometers and we are going to take NH19 and then see what route we will take.
And it's 30 also after that.
30 also. So right now we are having a breakfast.
So in this winters there's a huge fog on the cars, so as the moment the sun shines the car will look like this. So it's better that you clean up your car and definitely you would get a very shining car and it will be more desirable to ride that car as and when you go.
So we started at 10 a.m. We got late in having breakfast and we're having kids also. So we got late. But now we have started 10 o'clock from Varanasi towards Lucknow. This time I think we have taken NH19 and it's a good road, 6-lane highway. We will take through Prayagraj, that is Allahabad, and let's see in how much time we will reach. So we have crossed Allahabad and now this is the exit. We have taken the exit towards Lucknow. This is the toll gate where you can see it's a huge traffic, it's a huge chaos which has occurred. I think it's daily issue here, and maybe people are giving cash instead of FASTag. That's why the lines are too huge. So we are almost, it's taking 15-20 minutes here. We are crossing Rai Bareli right now. The time is 3 p.m. and Rai Bareli, obviously the city was somewhat that was having traffic, and till now we have covered 253 kilometers. We started at 10, so around in 6 hours we completed this, because till Allahabad that was a good 6-lane highway, NH19, and NH30 was double lane only last, and now if you can see it's a 4-lane highway. So let's see if it continues, then we can reach early also. So हम अभी लखनऊ में एंटर कर रहे हैं. अभी भी 23 किलोमीटर्स दिखा रहा है to our hotel. We'll be having a stay today at Taj Mahal Lucknow. So and 46 minutes दिखा रहा है. तो देखते हैं, आई थिंक पहुंच जाएंगे अराउंड 5 o'clock. हम लखनऊ में एंटर हो गए हैं. आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है. इट्स लाइक स्ट्रेच ऑफ 1 or 2 किलोमीटर्स. हम लोग भी जस्ट डेडलॉक हो गया था, वहाँ से क्रॉस करके अभी आए हैं. बाकी ट्रैफिक ठीक है. अभी ये मोहनलालगंज है, लखनऊ का एक एरिया है. हम लोग गोमती नगर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. We checked in hotel at 5:30 p.m. This is Taj Mahal Lucknow. We came from Varanasi today. Tomorrow we will again depart for Jaipur. That is a fan destination for now. So we'll keep updating. Guys, today is 25th of December and we are at Taj Mahal Lucknow.
Today is the third day of our journey and we are going to take up the stroll of 600 kilometers to Jaipur. First we are going to begin with Lucknow Agra Expressway and we'll keep tuning you. Yeah.
Guys, as you can see, this is Lucknow Agra Expressway. This is one of the this is the longest expressway till now in India. This is an awesome view, you can see. This is the straight road. So हम लोग जब से हमने स्टार्ट की अपनी जर्नी, हम लोग इस रोड का ही वेट कर रहे थे. And this is showing Agra from here, 316 kilometers. You can see one board is coming.
In 400 meters, continue onto Agra Lucknow Expressway.
This is proper 10-lane expressway. The road has a beautiful view. So here we are waiting for my sister to come, and
So if you can see here, the vehicles are flying at tremendous speeds, and as you can see here, see, in the blink of an eye the vehicle is gone. It's a very super smooth expressway and we are delighted to be here.
my sister is passing by. So like this we are traveling. So we are now crossing Agra. The time is 2:30 p.m. The expressway it was very nice and बहुत अच्छा road था. So we were driving at a good speed. तो भी time लगा but it was a fine road. Now we will have lunch and then we will go ahead. The time is 5 p.m. We have just crossed Bharatpur. We had our lunch from 2:30 to 3:30 and then we had some rest. So around 4 o'clock we left from Agra. Here we have crossed Mehndipur Balaji 5 minutes ago and the time is 6 p.m. Still 97 kilometers are showing and the time we will reach by 8 o'clock around. The Google map is showing. We have reached Jaipur. The time is 7:37 p.m.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto National Highway 21, National Highway 248.
My home is almost 9.6 kilometers from here. So very soon we'll be reaching.